Welcome, Yogi. Whether you've already purchased yourself a bee mat or whether you're still thinking about it, this video is here to help you understand how to care for your bee mat. These kind of mats are great for all kinds of yoga. It's made of natural rubber, so it will afford you great grip, and it's also antimicrobial. It should arrive wrapped in plastic, and this will protect it from the air while it's waiting for you to buy it. When you unwrap it, with it being made of natural rubber, it will have a smell to it, but once you've laid it out on the floor and practiced on it a time or two, that smell will go away. The most important thing with your mat is to protect it from oxidization. With it being biodegradable, natural rubber, if you leave it out in the air and the sun, it'll start to decompose, it'll start to oxidize. When that happens, you lose the grip in your mat, your hands will slide, or your mat starts to slide on the floor underneath. You'll know something's not quite right. So it's important that you don't let your mat stay out in the sun or even in indirect sunlight. Leaving it out on the floor in a room that's very sunny through the windows can affect your mat. It is an open sail construction, and so this means that it's important not to use essential oils on the mat when cleaning it, and also to make sure that you don't have oils on your hands, either in lotions or body lotions. You'll also want to avoid scrubbing it with any harsh detergents or brushes. A simple cloth covered in water, drained with water, will be sufficient as you wipe your mat down on a regular basis and let it dry before rolling it up. If you want to give it a little bit more of a clean, I usually use 1 part vinegar, white vinegar to 4 parts water, and spray that down, and then lots of water, wipe it down, let it dry, and they're good to go. Bee mat also create their own mat wash for this as well. Once your mat has dried or after a practice, you'll want to roll it the same way each time. And so as you're using your mat with the bee mat logo up, so you'll always use the same side, when you come to roll it up, roll it with that logo out, and so you're rolling it in on itself. And that'll help it to also keep the top part in the correct shape for you. When you unravel it, it also will stop it from rolling up at the ends when you're trying to practice on it. So I hope that helps you understand how to care for your yoga mat. I hope you enjoy it. Keep practicing. Thank you. Namaste.